it's Jennifer Woolsey here, closing the shower in my bathroom. And we are going to do a makeup tutorial for real women. So welcome in, say hello whenever you come in, and make sure and leave me a comment below and let me know what do you think about this makeup tutorial. So we're going to go ahead and pull the hair back. I had some flyaways this morning, so I added a little bit of extra oil with my Propel Thera, what is this, oil hair serum. My husband actually uses it for his beard, but I use it on my hair occasionally, and it added some oil, so you might see that. Anyway, we are gonna go ahead and hop in. I've already done my morning skincare regimen. You guys know I'm a faithful user of the Knox, a new Ultimate line. Love, love, love this line. But I was feeling like my skin was kind of dry. It's starting to, the weather's changing, and you know, that dry skin's starting to show up. And so I was excited because today we are launching our new Belif line, which is so awesome, and some great gift bundles for those people in your life that you know have dry skin. And so I went ahead and made sure and cleansed with my Belif Jelly Cleanser. Adds a little extra moisture, but it just leaves your face feeling so clean. I love that. And then I added in my Aqua Bomb cleanser or moisturizer in on top of my serums because I needed that extra moisture. And then for these eyes, I did that eye balm with Belif. Love this line. This is a great set to give somebody that you love this year that is battling dry skin or wants those youthful eyes or youthful skin. Love Belif. Love it. Okay, so let's hop into the makeup part. I've already done my VDL Satin Primer. Love that primer. It makes all the difference in filling in those cracks and crevices that real women have. We're going to do our Cashmere Complexion Concealer in shade Matcha. And I'm going to put just a little bit up here. So let me know in the comment section, what is your Thanksgiving and Christmas going to look like? Is it going to be a little bit different for your family this year? Even Christmas shopping for us, I think, is a little bit different this year. I'm going to be shipping a lot more gifts than I normally do. But that's okay because I got it. I'm getting it done. But Thanksgiving is definitely going to look a lot different for us. We normally do a huge family get-together for my husband's side. And then we go to my sister's for my side. And they're all canceled. So I guess I'm learning how to cook this year. We'll see. Luckily, my mother-in-law is pulling out some stops for us. And we're going to do just a small little thing with our family instead of something huge. Okay, so we've got that on. We're going to do our powder foundation today. I was looking online. So this is Cashmere Complexion Powder Foundation in shade N120. You can see that it's gently used. Do you know that there's a few other designer brands, I think Estee Lauder and MAC, that have something like this? And I was comparing the ingredients. We actually have vegan avocado oil in ours, which helps add that collagen to your skin that you lose as a woman as we age. And so I was like impressed. Our ingredients, I definitely think beat theirs, and our price for sure does. So if you are looking for a good dupe, this is one that you want. And I love the coverage I get with it. It definitely gives me a mid coverage, and doesn't take too much work to put it in. I'm just buffing it in. And you can already see such a difference in the transition in my skin. If you are using a foundation and you are not seeing a transition in your skin after you put it on, it's time to evaluate your foundation. Just a tip. Okay, we're gonna do our Tattoo Station eyebrow pencil today because if you don't frame your eyes, then it's like putting a picture on the wall without any frame. We don't want to do that. Hello. We still need a little bit of help here. So I'm just gonna start here and I'm just working it in. So back to what Thanksgiving and Christmas are gonna look like. I think we are just kind of at a point in our world with everything going on that we just have to look for some type of normalcy, some type of way to celebrate the little things, right? Maybe things aren't gonna look the same for you, but there's some things that you can find to celebrate. So maybe it's celebrating a slower pace. We're usually running from one town to the next to try to get all of them in and doing all the craziness. And so this year, we're going to be able to lay back a little bit, be a little slower paced, and maybe enjoy a few extra Hallmark movies. I'm sure that my husband is going to love that. Are you Hallmark movie buffs on here with me? I mean, everybody needs some consistency, and we know how a Hallmark movie is going to end, right? So it's consistency. We need that. Okay, I lost my lid. Gotta put that lid back in. Those brows are done, and I'm excited to show you a new palette today. This is our Warm Sunrise palette. I have never used this one with you guys before, so I'm excited to work this out. Are y'all ready? We're gonna start with 2 and do it as a transition color. I am a real woman with hooded eyes, so I'm gonna go a little bit higher and make a faux arch here. Love it. Okay, let's do this side. I tried to play Christian music on my Google this morning. Apparently, all Christmas music is, all Christian music right now is Christian music, or Christmas music. I cannot talk. Okay, so we've got that transition color in there. Let's go back now, and we're gonna do 1. And I'm going to use that in the cradle. This is your cradle area. Hey Google, next song. I don't want to get copyrighted here. So I'm just putting that in this area of the eye in the cradle and working it into where we did that transition. And you can kind of pat, if you don't want to rub, you can pat that color in. Doesn't have to be rubbed. I'm careful to not really get this outer edge because I'm going to use that outer edge here in just a minute when we smoke it out a little bit. So I'm going to show you that. Are you ready? Okay. So let's smoke it out. We're going to do 3. I think we're going to smoke out with 4. And we're just going to go on top of where we did that transition color and blend it out. Blend it, blend it. This is a process. You want to be delicate. I'm not seeing your comments this morning, guys. Give me some hearts. Let me know that you are with me. I don't know if y'all are here. I can't see you. So this is just a process of really working that brush back and forth. It's not there's no special technique to it. It's just working it back and forth quickly and smoking that area out just a little bit. I'm going to take my thinner brush here and I'm going to take 3 and 4. Watch this. We're going to bring that and meet it out here kind of as like an eyeliner. This is a sunrise palette, so it's got lots of like pinky browns in it. So I want to be careful to not make myself look like I have pink eye. We aren't in that look. What are you thinking about this palette? Is this one that you think you need to pick up? Do you have a great neutral shade? I think we need to go a little bit darker over here. Let's even that out. Yay! Okay, we're gonna finish up the eye with, I'm gonna go back in with this white and I'm gonna use it as a highlight just a tad underneath that arch there. Oh, I'm seeing comments. Good morning, Jacqueline. Hi, Amanda. This Aqua is Warm Sunrise. You need to add this to your list. It is, I think it's going to become one of my favorites. What do you think? Okay, let's check. Do we need to clean up? We can clean up just a little bit. I'm going to take my concealer. We're just going to clean up a little bit. I feel like I look funny. I'm taking my beauty blender. And it's just going to give you a sharper edge on your eye. What are you thinking? Okay, let's add some eyeliner and let's check it out. Let's work this all the way out and see what we think. We're going to do SuperExtend eyeliner. I love the Mocha Latte one too. That's my favorite eye quad. I'm going to play with the Love and... Oh my gosh. That Love in Paris palette is everything. And I think it will sell out pretty quickly. Because it has like the best 16 iPods that I've ever seen in it. And you can do so many looks with that Love in Paris palette. If you're new here and you're like, what are you talking about? What is Love in Paris? Let me show you that palette. It is exclusive just for the holiday season. Look at all of those colors. Such pretty colors. And I think it will sell out. Lots of makeup tutorials with it. And it's one of my favorite. I can tell a difference once I got my liner added in. What do you think? So let me know, guys, is your Thanksgiving and Christmas gonna look different than years past? Are you having to do all the cooking? Are you still going to family members' houses? Let me know in the comments. I'm interested. What is your holiday season gonna look like? Are you like me? Are you gonna be shipping tons of gifts? I'm trying to get all my shopping done so I can ship gifts this year. Okay, let's do the mascara part and see what we think. Curling my lashes up. We have a new eyelash curler on the website too. It's super good. I ordered it. I'm excited to try it. It looks like it's a little bit more professional grade. Love mascara. I'm going to do one eye and let you guys see it. What do we think? I think we rock this eye look. I don't know about you. Yes, I love our tweezers too. Yes, they are definitely great quality. I love this palette. I think Warm Sunrise is definitely going to become one of my favorites. I don't know if it's going to replace Mocha Latte, but I love having the option. Especially, I think, with holiday colors. I have like 26 Christmas shirts. Y'all get ready. Because I have 26 Christmas shirts. You're going to see them all. And I need a little bit of the pinker colors to pull off those Christmas shirts. Do you have tons of Christmas shirts? Or am I the only person that's crazy about Christmas shirts? We're going to do Blush and Love cheek palette. Still available on your avon.com/JWillC. Don't miss this offer. Yes, girl. Yes, work those cheeks. All right, we're going to do a little highlight. I don't know why I'm just doing this. I'm making pies today, but gotta look fierce to make pies, right? Gotta look fierce. Let's do a birthday balm in, what is this one? PYT. I love PYT. 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 Birthday balm with shea butter. These would be great little things to stick in a sock that hangs from a fireplace. Not saying the word, but these would be great for the women in your life, the teens in your life. Love my birthday balms. I use all the colors all the time. They are the bomb. Birthday balms are the bomb. How about that? I agree. The tweezers are great. All right. Oh, the warm sunrise is your favorite? Okay, let me close and give you guys the full eye look. What do you think? What do you think? I need your feedback. Okay, so be sure that you are leaving a comment below. Let me know what you think about this makeup tutorial. We forgot setting spray. We better go back, fix and mist. Let's spray. Because if I'm going to be in the kitchen baking, I've got to set that look for the day. So it's here all day long for my pies who are going to care. So don't forget that I shared with you all of those Belif bundles launched today on your avon.com/jwoolsey. So you can go check that out, pick those up. They're a great gift item for the women that you love or the men. My husband loves the Belif Jelly Cleanser, and he uses the Aqua Bomb. He has super dry skin because he works outside, and he says it's made a huge difference in his skin. So pick up some of those for the people on your gift list, so that you will be fixed. And don't forget, we still have, for a limited time, the Black Friday sale going on. Avon Black 20, you're going to get free shipping, you're going to get free gifts, you're going to get a free travel size of Chi products, lots of great stuff on the website. So thank you guys so much for getting ready with me this morning. I enjoyed visiting with you. I hope that you have a great holiday season and share this video. We'll see you guys later. Bye.